Hello my lovely angels and welcome back to my channels. Today I am not gonna tell you, first you gonna tell me what is this excitement about. Like if you guys remember, whenever you see this excitement on my face, it is time to unbox my fab bag. So I'm super excited to show you my fab bag this month, and it is like I'm always excited about fab bag, but this time, whoa. So you guys obviously do not want to miss what is in this fab bag. So if you guys want to know, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so this is how my fab bag looks like. Like this is the box and it is my box of happiness. I am super excited to show you all what I received this time in my June fab bag, which is like the monsoon fab bag. And also I have already unboxed it, if you can see, but I wasn't able to control myself, to control my excitement. I was super excited when I received this fab bag, so I unboxed it. But yes, let's do it with you as well. And also guys, this time, oh my god, like usually fab bag has products worth 1600 to 1700 rupees, but this time it is 2300 to 2400, and there are a lot of products. Like trust me when I say there are a lot of products, there are a lot of products. Now before we move on to products, I have already explained what fab bag is and blah blah, so I will link my video here in this I button. You can just go and check it out. Fab bag is a monthly subscription bag where you get a bunch of products to try on. There are some freebies inside. So yes, and it is 1 month, 3 months, 6 month and 12 month subscription. Now you can use my code which is flashing right here on the screen to avail 10% extra discount on fab bag, but this discount is valid for 3 months, 6 month and 12 month subscription. It is not valid for 1 month subscription, and 1 month subscription bag is for rupees 599. Woo! So now let's begin. Alright guys, so this is how the fab bag looks like, and I am very happy to receive this fab bag. It is super beautiful. It is transparent, and when I will take these products out, I am definitely gonna show you how it looks like. It is beautiful. There are some clouds, the raindrops, like proper monsoon theme. So the first product that I have with me is this Ayurvedic warm oil therapy, which is from the brand True Hair, and this is the world's first Ayurvedic hair oil with a true heater. Yes, it came with this heater. Like, isn't this interesting? I am super curious to use this product. I haven't used it yet, but yeah, I will update you guys on my Instagram, so do follow me there as well. And this is how the product looks like. So basically this is the oil, and this heater came along with this, and this is the lid, and this is what came inside. Now you have to drop your oil in this, and you have to plug it in the socket, cover this like this. Everything is written over here, like how to use, and everything is here. So yeah, I can't wait to use this product together. And now the next product that I have with me is this Dark Kiss Roll-On Baser India, and this is how this looks like, and it is 10 ml. And now how to use this, it is written over the packaging. Roll on the pulse points, neck, wrist, inner elbow, knees, back of the ear. So yeah, that's how I use my roll-on, like here and then here, inner of my elbows, back of the ear and my neck. So yeah, that's how I use roll-ons. The fragrance is amazing, but it is overpowering. Like for me, it is overpowering. I won't lie to you guys, because this has alcohol. So yeah, what you guys expect. So I don't use any deodorant or perfume that has alcohol in it. I can't even use them because they give me severe headache, and yeah, I can't tolerate their fragrance because it is super overpowering. So definitely I am not gonna use it. But yeah, the fragrance is amazing. It is gonna be like long lasting. Now the next product that I have with me, which makes me like super excited, is this. Like look at the packaging. Oh my god, that's how I am. Okay, so I first of all genuinely love the packaging. Like it looks very beachy, summery, springy, and you are on some vacation or something. That kind of vibe it is giving. And once you open it, so yeah, this is how the product looks like. Fragrance is amazing. Wow, so this one is the Oopsie Daisy, orange in color, and the fragrance is very fruity. Yeah, very fruity kinda, and I can't wait to use it. And then this one is the Hawaiian Rumba, and it is like paradise in a bottle. So amazing. yeah, the fragrance is amazing. You will feel like you are at some beach or something. So definitely after using this, like the first thing that I really love about these packaging now, they are super travel friendly. If you are traveling somewhere, you can carry these body wash shower gels with you. And I never use the shower gel or face wash, shampoo, conditioner, whatever provided by the hotel. Like, I don't know why, but I can't use. So whenever I travel, I take my own toothpaste, toothbrush, my my bath kit. I take it with me. Like, I have those travel friendly shampoo kit and the body wash as well. But yeah, this is like really gonna help. And to be very honest, from both of these, I personally loved this one. It is super amazing and it is super refreshing. So yeah, I can't wait to use them both. The next product that I have in this fab bag is again from Plum Goodness. So I really love this small cute pouch inside. Again, very travel friendly, and love the color. So let me give you a closer look. Now, what's inside this? It has a hair spa kit, mini hair spa kit, and again, this is the second product which I was very excited about. And the moment I received my fab bag, I just dived into the fab bag and find these two products. All right, so these are the three products that was inside that pouch, and it is their Plum Olive Healthy Hydration Shampoo. This is the Olive Rich Nourish Conditioner, and this one is their Olive Mega Moisturizing Hair Mask. So basically, again, a very travel friendly kit, and I haven't used them yet, but I can't wait to use them. Alright, now moving on to next product, I have this from Sugar Cosmetics, and it is their All Set to Go Translucent Powder. Now I'm gonna insert a clip where I can show you how I use this powder. So I really loved this product. It is a very fine powder which just melts into your skin, and it is white in color, but it doesn't leave any white residue. Even I like the applicator as well, like that puff thing. It was awesome, very soft, it was really good. And the last product that I have with me in this June fab bag is again from Sugar Cosmetics, and it is their liquid lipstick mini, and I am in the shade Hot Apricot, and this is what I'm wearing. I topped it with the Sugar Gloss only, which I received in March fab bag, and I'm gonna insert a clip right here so you can see. Have a look and get back. Honestly speaking, I don't like the formula of their liquid lipstick because they are like super dry, and they kind of stretch out your lips, so I can't wear them. So I always top it with the lip gloss so that they are comfortable to wear. Alright guys, so now it's time to show you the fab bag, and this is how it looks like. Isn't it gorgeous? I really love the theme going on this bag, and this transy thing, I really loved it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, share this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and I will see you in my next video.